So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Kids in the Kitchen. So thanks a lot for your support. I've received a great feedback from you. I have definitely improved. I can see from your comments. So for today's recipe, we're making restaurant style tandoori garlic butter naan without using tandoor. It's a very simple recipe and very tasty recipe. So enough chatting. Let's get cooking. So guys, for this recipe, it's a very simple one. Firstly, to make the dough, we'll need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of maida. Now here I have half cup of yogurt or dahi, homemade dahi or curd. So I'm adding in that. Now here I have 1 teaspoon salt. Here 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Here I have a half teaspoon baking soda. And here I have 1 teaspoon of sugar. After adding it all in, just give it a good mix. Now after mixing the curd and this, now we have to add lukewarm water so that this becomes very soft. Add in a little bit, little by little, and make it into a soft dough as you do it for the chapati dough. Knead it into a soft dough. Now as you can see, it has become into a soft dough. Now it's a little bit sticky. So now what we have to do is, have to add in 1 tablespoon of oil and nicely mix the dough completely. And also grease your hands with a little bit of oil. Grease your hands with a little bit of oil and nicely mix the dough. So as you can see, it's a good soft dough. Now what you have to do, you have to add half a teaspoon of oil on it. Just tap it like this. Nicely spread it everywhere. Just tap it nicely. And now take a wet cloth, any kitchen towel or wet cloth, take it and close it on this, like this, and keep it around for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the dough has come pretty well. It has become 15 minutes. Now you have to take a small portion of it, a small one. Now just dip it in the dry flour and it's ready for the rolling. So as you can see, I've dipped it in the dry flour. Now we have to roll this in an oval shape. So naan can be made in a circle or a circle shape also, but people think in the restaurant and all, they make it in an oval shape. So we are making the restaurant style this naan today. So we are making it in oval shape. So if it is getting too sticky, then put some dry flour on it. Nicely dust it with the dry flour and then run the rolling pin on it. So as you can see here, as I have done it in oval shape. Now what we have to do is, here I have some grated garlic. So as it is garlic butter naan, so just put some garlic here and there pieces. Not too much also, and according to your taste you can put, because I like garlic, so I'm putting a little bit more. If you have cilantro, you can put cilantro, or here I have some coriander leaves finely chopped. Take those, some you just put on the thing, and also here I have some black till, or L we call it, as in Tamil is L, or else black sesame seeds. So take those, little bit on that. Now we have to roll one solid so that it sticks on the dough well. Now as you can see, it is stuck to the dough well. Now we have to turn this upside down. Now what we have to do is, here I have a cup of water. Here I have a brush, applying brush, So take some water and apply gently. generously actually. Apply more. If you apply less, then it will fall off the tawa or the pan which we are doing. So apply more on every side of the naan. So here I have taken a iron skillet pan. So it's preferably not to use a non-stick as it will not stick to the pan. Here we want to stick it to the pan as we are making it without tandoor. So here I have full flame and keeping this pan over here. It's an iron skillet pan. It's not non-stick. Preferably not using non-stick. At that time it will become soft and fluffy. Let the pan heat. Now what we have to do is gently take the naan and place it on the pan gently. As you can see, I have placed it. So until it gets bubbles on it, let it cook on its own. So now as you can see bubbles are come. Now we have to flip the pan and show it on the flame. So it will not fall, don't worry. Just spread it evenly over here. As you can see, we have to nicely go evenly with the flame. So as you can see, it has become golden brown. More, we have to do it more. Just show it on the flame until it becomes nice golden brown. So as you can see, it has become nice golden brown. Now I have to take this and keep it on a plate. How crispy it is. Now we have to apply butter on it. So as you can see, I have applied butter on it. Awesome smell is coming. As you can see, and see down also. Perfect tandoori style. So restaurant style and all we have made it. It tastes also awesome. I'll make one more and then we'll plate it. So as you can see, it has become very soft. See, very soft. It is enjoyed with any North Indian dish or side dish and all. It's enjoyed very well. Nice crunch and taste. Also as you can see in the back also, just as you make it in tandoor, it's become very well. So this is it for the recipe. So guys, as you saw, the naan was beautiful. It was soft and it was crispy on the outside and soft from inside. Awesome. It is best served with any North Indian side dish or any side dish you can say, like paneer butter masala or the veg kadai or any this. It's a great recipe. It's an easy recipe as you saw. As you saw in the back also, it's very good. Without using tandoor, we have made it possible. So yes, thanks for watching till the end. If you are still watching, thanks a lot. So please, if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe down below and also turn on the notification bell. Also, if you like this recipe, leave a like down below. Also, leave a comment. How was the recipe, and if you tried it, please let me know how it came for you. That's it for today's recipe. Let's meet in the tomorrow's recipe or the next recipe.